Welcome to our channel Just to Know. Today our topic is on megaloblastic anemia. As this topic was recommended in the comment section by Praveen Kumar, pathology topic megaloblastic anemia. Definition: megaloblastic anemia is a red blood cell disorder due to the inhibition of DNA synthesis during erythropoiesis. Etiology for megaloblastic anemia includes vitamin B12 deficiency due to folic acid deficiency or due to the deficiency of both the vitamins. Causes of vitamin B12 deficiency, that includes inadequate intake, which is common among pure vegetarians, then inability to absorb vitamin B12, which is seen after gastric surgery, or in lack of intrinsic factor due to autoantibodies to parietal cell. Then in competition for vitamin B12 in the intestine, which is due to competitive absorption of vitamin by fish tapeworm, and bacteria overgrowth in blind loop syndrome and in intestinal stasis. Drug inhibition. Drug that inhibits the vitamin B12 includes metformin and proton pump inhibitors. All these causes leads to deficiency of vitamin B12. Deficiency of folate is seen in inadequate intake, in poor diet, in old and bedridden patients, in patients in ICU, in pregnancy and lactating mother, in growing infants, in hemolytic patient using drugs like folic acid antagonists like methotrexate, in chronic alcoholism, in gastric surgery, in chronic diarrhea, and when intake of overcooked vegetables may cause deficiency of folate. Pathophysiology. In vitamin B12 and folic acid deficiency, there is impaired thiamine synthesis, which leads to inability to synthesize DNA, where the RNA synthesis remain intact. As a result, there is an ineffectual erythropoiesis, resulting in excess hemoglobin and enlarged erythroid precursor being produced. So, the developing red blood cell has difficulty in undergoing cell division, but the RNA continues to transcript and translate into protein, leading to the growth of cytoplasm, while the nucleus lags behind. Often, one or more cell division are skipped, leading to formation of larger red blood cell, which is called as macrocytic cell. Clinical findings include anemic symptoms, neurological symptoms, and gastrointestinal symptoms. Anemic symptoms include severe pallor, weakness, palpitation, fatigue, graying of hair, and jaundice. Severe pallor and slight jaundice combine to produce telltale lemon yellow skin in the patients with megaloblastic anemia. Neurological symptoms include paresthesia that causes numbness and tingling in the feet and finger and difficulty in balancing and walking. Spastic ataxia that causes stiffness of muscle with uncoordinated movement. Megaloblastic madness. At the brain, it results in dementia, psychotic depression, and paranoid schizophrenia, which is termed as megaloblastic madness. Gastrointestinal symptoms include loss of appetite, glossitis, that is the red, sore and smoothie tongue, and diarrhea. So friends, subscribe our channel for more updates and share your interested topic in the comment section which you want us to post. Lab investigation, that includes blood finding, peripheral smear, bone marrow finding and biochemical finding. Blood findings are hemoglobin is decreased, hematocrit is decreased, RBC count is decreased or normal, MCV mean cell volume is less than 100 fecoliter where the normal range is 82 to 98 fecoliter, MCH mean cell hemoglobin is increased, MCHC mean cell hemoglobin concentration is normal, reticulocytopenia, total WBC count is normal or low, platelet count is normal or low, and pancytopenia are seen. Peripheral smear shows RBCs with macrocytic and normochromic. In severe anemia, in addition to macrocytosis, marked anisopoikilocytosis, basophilic stippling, oval jowl bodies and Cabot rings may be seen. WBCs, hypersegmented neutrophil is one of the earliest signs of megaloblastic hematopoiesis and can be detected even in the absence of anemia when more than 5% of neutrophil shows more than 5 lobes. Platelets, giant platelets can occur. This is the image of blood smear showing megaloblastic anemia, which has macroovelocytes, hypersegmented neutrophils and teardrop cell. This is the image of oval jowl bodies. Bone marrow findings include marked hypercellular, myeloid, that is erythroid ratio decreased or reversed, and erythropoiesis is megaloblastic. Biochemical findings shows vitamin B12 and folate deficiency, increased lactate dehydrogenase enzyme LDH in blood and urine, increased serum unconjugated bilirubin because of ineffective erythropoiesis, and normal serum iron and ferritin. Treatment: supplements of vitamin B12 and folic acid as they are deficient. Some of the sources of vitamin B12 are meat, liver, fish, cheese and egg. And source of folic acid include green leafy vegetables, fruit, grains and milk products.